Hello, good morning. Well, I'm just about to make some DIY leave-in hair conditioner, which you can see I've got my bottles filled up here. So everyone in my house uses this, and I've been doing this for 3 years thanks to my beautiful friend and hairdresser Kristy Brown that came up with this recipe. I've just added another ingredient to it because it's summer and I want everything smelling like vanilla, and it's super easy. So you can use any different bottles. So I've got this one that stays in my bathroom. I do just one that's on the go, this one that I take traveling with me, this one's Bella's, that one's Alex's. So that's everyone in my household. All the girls have got one, and it's super easy. Even when my nieces were over the other day, we put that in their hair, and it is amazing. So all you need is a container. So this one is 100 mils. These are, I think, about 60 mils. I think they're actually 100 as well. So it doesn't really matter, just something that's got a good spray. You need the Young Living Copaiba and Vanilla hair conditioner. It is amazing. I've got fine hair, so it's too heavy for me just on its own, but mixed up like this is incredible. So you need one of those. You need some distilled water or purified or demineralized water, okay, because you don't want to use tap water because it makes it go, anything with tap water makes it go, yucky. We've got bugs in our tap water, unfortunately. So I just popped it in there, that's easy. Now, we love to use cedarwood. So cedarwood, we only use Young Living oils. So cedarwood is fabulous because it helps promote extra hair. So do some research. It's great to add into your mascaras as well. It helps stimulate hair, so it's a great. Geranium, beautiful oil. Once again, it's food graded, so it's you can use it for culinary. And lavender. So you need those, and I'm popping in today some vanilla. So this is a clear vanilla we get from Mexico, which we use for our perfume making as well, and it is divine. If you need some, let me know. I have some in stock because my whole team, we use vanilla for everything. So let's get started. Super easy. Just grab your bottle. Now, trying to get this beautiful thick into a funnel is nearly impossible. So what you want to do is just turn it upside down, get all the product to the base, and then all you need is one full squirt. Okay? So basically as much as your hand can squirt, that's what you need in there. Okay? So we've got that in there. I put 1/2, whatever comes in that, of vanilla. You don't need to use vanilla, by the way. You can do it without, but I love vanilla, and vanilla is good for hair, skin, the brain, lots of things. So you need to do some research on vanilla. And then super easy, 2 drops of lavender, 2 drops of geranium. Especially in summer, your hair gets hammered from swimming and it dries out. So vanilla is very nourishing, and the oils, of course, are very nourishing to the skin, and you're putting them on to your closest part of the organ, which is the brain. So remember, what you're using on your head is getting absorbed straight in. Remember, whatever you put on your body, you're going to eventually be eating it. So we've got to make sure we're using the best products with little or no chemicals on them. Okay, and then just pop a funnel. These I just get from Kitchen Warehouse. They're cute, aren't they? They're really good. They fit most necks of everything. Then, can you see that? So you've got all your bits in there, and then you just fill in. If you've got a smaller container, just use less conditioner. And then please share this video for it will help someone out there. Fill it up to about that much. What you want it to do is be able to mix when you shake it. And then grab your top. So you can see that one. So I've got to make them up for all the girls. Normally Bella does this job, but I love doing it. And give it a good shake. You can see it mixing. Okie dokie. There we go. And then come out of the shower, shampoo your hair, and then all you need to do is spray in that, and then go ahead and style your hair. How cool is that? Now, if you've got dry hair, if you've got fine hair like mine's blonde and fine, let me just show you. Love to use from Young Living the Lavender shampoo. So this is really good for fine hair. So I just do 2 shampoos in the shower, get out, towel dry, and then I would add my leave-in hair conditioner. And then I just go ahead, it helps nourish my skin and my hair, gives me volume. So if you use anything too heavy on fine hair, it just flops, and we don't want the flop, do we? So that's just my top tip for you. This is great too if you've got kids. You can just do 1 drop of each for the kiddies, and it's a great detangler. If you're at school, and I know you're about to finish for school, but what's really good for kids going to school, put a drop of tea tree in there, the Young Living tea tree. That keeps away any hitchhikers that might like to come home with them. So there you go. Have a wonderful afternoon. Please share this video if you think it will help someone out there. But great summer leave-in hair conditioner. I make one up to take traveling. 3 years we've been using this, and it's wonderful. So have a great afternoon wherever you are in the world, and I hope this little hair tip helps you. And thank you to Kristy Brown that we're so blessed that she came up with this recipe.